In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions on this device. Firstly, you need to access settings and scroll down right away. Then look for privacy section, and when you find it, click on it. Now you need to click on Permission Manager at the top and click on one of your device's features, like for example, microphone. Then click on one of your apps, like for example, contacts, and tap on one of those options to set up the best one for you. Ask each time allow only while in use or deny. I will go with deny, so in this case I need to choose deny anyway in this pop-up and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, contacts no longer have access to my device's microphone. But if you wish to change your permissions for one of your apps, for example calendar, you need to select one of those options, like maybe location, tap on an app that you wish to control, in this case calendar, and select See all calendar permissions instead. Now you can manage them only for this app. Sorry, misclick. From here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!